Today in many of our communities there are substances that people call legal highs. But this term is misleading because it suggests that they are safe. We are seeing that in fact they are very harmful to the individual, to their families and to the communities they live in. We don't understand enough about these terms and these issues yet, and we need to find out more. We're asking organisations such as the Welsh Government, the police and the health services what they know about these substances and what education is being provided to the communities on them. But what's important to us is you. Your help is important to help us understand what legal highs are, what education has been given about them, what did you know about them beforehand? Have you ever taken them? This is not about being judgmental individuals. It's not about actually identifying those who have taken legal highs. It's about trying to work out why they're taken and what people know beforehand so they can assess the risks and how we can help people understand those risks. So your help is going to be very much appreciated in this inquiry. More information can be found on our website or the Twitter accounts. And please, help us, help others.
If you or somebody you know has been affected by the use of legal highs or would like more information about them, you can contact Dan 24/7 for confidential advice.